Most file organizers only read the name of a file. Here's what happens when one actually reads what's inside. Here is a freelance work folder. Around 40 files, 6 different clients, all mixed together. And look at the names. Scanner output, camera dumps, attachments. Not one of them tells you the client, or whether it's a contract or an invoice. This is what real folders look like. I've pointed Sortio at this folder as a space, and it's read every document inside. Not the names, the actual contents. Dozens of entities pulled out, and live indexing stays on, so anything new that lands here gets read too. And here's what it found. Every client organization mentioned across those documents, and how many files each one appears in. Remember, none of that is in the file names. It came out of the text inside the PDFs. Same for the people, the amounts, and the dates. Click into any single file, and you can see exactly what was pulled out of it. Plus, every other document that mentions the same client. That's the knowledge graph. Now, the payoff. Because Sortio knows what's inside these files, I can ask for something the file names could never support. Group everything by client, and then inside each client, split it into contracts, invoices, project briefs, deliverables, and notes. It builds the plan from what it read. Notice the badge? This sort is knowledge graph enhanced, so it's using those extracted entities rather than guessing. And nothing has moved yet. This is still just a preview. Here's the plan. A folder per client, and inside each one, the document types split out. Every file has a reason attached, and every one of those decisions came from the contents, because the file name said nothing at all. I hit Apply Changes, and everything moves at once. And as always, there's an undo sitting in history if you want it back the way it was. And there's the result, expanded. A folder for every client, and inside each one, contracts, invoices, briefs, deliverables, and notes. And look at those file names. Scanner output, camera dumps, untitled documents, every single one of them meaningless, and every single one of them in exactly the right place. Sortio's free to try at getsortio.com. Works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Thanks for watching.